about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
Yo, everyone, it's time to sing about Hakka right now.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿炳高丽哦。
大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. That's right, sing about Hakka. 其实我们现在开始呢，会介绍一些歌曲，客家的歌曲。
对，让大家知道一些客家的一些新的流行的歌曲，或是童谣什么之类的。
Exactly. There's traditional songs. There's also popular songs. And Leo is going to introduce another Hakka song for us. 今天要教的是什么歌呢
？Banana。
啊 ，Banana？ 真的吗？你讲英文吗？
是的。
He said banana.
Banana.
That's the song title, actually. It is called Banana. Let's hear it. This is by Huang Lianyu, right here on Icrt.
Banana, banana, 可惜嘅公仔 banana， 愛情可惜嘅公仔 banana。Banana, banana, 紅紅嘅公仔 banana， 愛情可惜嘅公仔 banana。Again,
that song is called Banana, but of course, that's not Hakka. 这个 banana 香蕉客语怎么说呢？
香蕉，
真的有吗？香蕉那个感觉啊，香蕉。Okay, that's the real way to say banana in Hakka. Okay, 只是说它里面这么爱吃 banana， 是只猴子吗？
它不是猴子，对。然后它是讲一个他小时候的故事，譬如说爸爸妈妈带着他要去海边玩的时候呢，他们除了准备要去玩的东西之外，他一定要带着他最爱吃的。Banana 香蕉.
Okay, again, 香蕉 is banana. This whole song is actually kind of fun. It's about this guy who remembers the time when he was young, when he goes to the beach with his parents. He always loves to carry his bananas around and eat them while he's at the beach. 所以呢，就把这个回忆呢唱出来了。
对。
So there's the seaside, there's the banana, it's yellow, it's delicious. Let's teach people how to say these terms. 我们来教这些单字好了 ，OK？
好。
像海边 ，the beach。
海笋
好像是要吃笋，好笋
不是
海笋 that's the beach or the seaside. Then 好吃的香蕉 delicious banana.
好食嘅香蕉
Okay, 好食嘅香蕉 that's 好吃 delicious banana. And finally, the banana is yellow in color. It mentions that in the lyrics too. 黄黄的香蕉
黃黃嘅香蕉
So there you go. Those are the terms mentioned in this song. Another great song called Banana, 香蕉. And that does it for today's Sing About Hakka.
什麼睇㗎？
俺只say張來了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.